Bruh. Hello? Is this thing on? Hey. So, you know, I realized that I recorded vertically instead of horizontally. And I don't really know how to fix that. So you're gonna deal with it. I'll fix it next time, if I remember. My bad. Okay, let's start. Hi. Today, oh my god, what is that? Is that a stain? Whatever. Okay, today, we're gonna be building a PC. I don't know what the fuck I'm doing, but I guess we're doing it. Okay, so here's what I got. So I got this giant ass case. It's a Lian 216 case that I got off of Amazon. That was a terrible voice crack. But I got this GPU from Micro Center for a huge discount because it's refurbished. I think it's the RTX 3070 Ti. And then we got this giant ass power supply. Okay, I already took it out and put some wires in, but I don't even remember what I got. RM series 850 fully modular ATX power supply. Yeah. And I got this fucking fan. iCUE H150i Eli CAPELLIX XT. Long ass name. Why do all of these have such long ass names? And then I already opened the CPU and put it in the motherboard. But I got an Intel i7 12700K. And then for the motherboard, I got this. I'm not reading that to you because I'm too lazy. But yeah. And then for the SSD card, that's still on the way, but it's like a 2TB Samsung something. I don't know. Yeah. If I remember, I'll show you later. If I remember. And then for accessories like monitors, I'm kind of poor right now. I'll get that eventually, I guess. I don't know, but like, yeah. Let's start. God damn, this thing is huge. Okay. Should I turn on the lights? Maybe. Is that better? Is that better? Hello? Ignore that. Okay. So, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. I'm just gonna follow a fucking YouTube video. Speaking of that, I should probably pull that up. The fuck, Lian? 216 case. PC build. This guy. You seem like a reliable guy. Actually, what the fuck? Oh. I can't skip this fucking guy. Bro. Okay, I got the video up. Let's see. What should I do first? Take this out. Shit. Oh shit. Okay. Let's go. Hi. So we're gonna install the RAM. Let me open this shit up. Okay. Oh my god. Leroy! Oh. Yeah, that's the motherboard. Nice. Let's throw that shit over there. I don't know. We got a RAM. Oh shit, actually I need the box. I should place it on the box. Haha, ah. Okay. Got this shit out. Place it on the box.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no.
Also, ignore that. My messy table. Yeah, no good angles for you guys. Fuck you guys. Let's open this shit. So I only got 2. And oh, I already installed the CPU. It's right there. Yeah. Do you guys want a better angle? Do I want to make a better angle? I don't know. It's kind of a lot of work. I don't have any stands, so L. Okay, so where do I place the RAM? Which slots? Oh, I see. Okay, it says DIMMA2 goes first. Okay. So, oh my god. Oh my god, I'm dropping everything. There's a lot of paper. Okay. Okay. Why am I struggling to get this shit out, bro? What the fuck? Is this a sign to give up? God damn. Bro, I'm gonna break this shit. Oh my god, I got it. Let's go. So, okay. Damn, I'm sweating. Okay. Okay, fine. I'll get a better angle. Feel kind of bad now. Okay, I couldn't get a better angle, so I'm just gonna hold the camera. You're welcome. Should be appreciative. But here, it's a CPU. Already put it in. Nice. But yeah. So now gotta put the RAM in. And how the fuck do I do that? Okay. So as you can see, right here. Yeah, that's where we're putting the RAM. So, oh my god, how do I do this? Okay. How do I? Oh my god. Okay, I got it. Okay. Whoa. Bet. Okay. So I got a RAM. And I guess I'll just place it down. Right. Okay. And then let's hopefully not break this. Oh my god. Damn. Is it the wrong way? Which way do I put this actually? I think I'm gonna break everything, guys. Oh my god. It clicked. Okay. Oh my god. I got it, guys. Let's go! Okay. Oh my god. Everything's so hard to do. What the heck? Oh my god. Oh my god. How do people do this with one hand? Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. It didn't break, guys. I know. Oh my god. Okay. Attempt number 2. Let's go. Oh my god, it clicked in. Bet! Let's go! Okay. So we got that. We survived, guys. Let's go. Okay. So the CPU fan thing. It's this long guy. Oh no, he's not that long. He's small. He's my okay personality, I guess. I don't know. He's colorful. That adds some personality. Alright, let's open this shit and not die. Okay. I have no space. Oh my god. Everything is gonna fall off. Oh my god. Oh, I can't even open boxes. Okay. Oh my god. Guys, you guys. Oh my god. Hi. Okay. Okay. We got paper. Nice. And then we just have all this shit. Yeah, I can't fuck the image on my phone, so my bad. Okay, so I got a 360mm one. So 3 fans. We got this, and oh, what the fuck is this? I don't know. We'll look at it later. And then, oh, for the CPU thing, right? Intel. This is what we have. We also have, oh my god. Oh. Yeah. Oh. We also have AMD, CPU things. I don't know what these are called, honestly. And then we got whatever this is. Yeah. Okay. What else do we have? Okay. I think that's... Oh, we got a shit ton of screws. I think that's it, right? Yeah.
Bye, have a great time.
Oh. Okay, so apparently we installed the fans on this shit, right? So I got my 3 fans. So I guess we'll just, you know. Does that even fit? Oh yeah, it fits. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. All the way through here. Okay, so this is what I have. I just need to put in the screws. Yeah. I don't know which fucking screw to use. Actually, okay, I think we use the long ones. Yeah, probably, right? Alright, does this fit? Do you fit? Oh, yeah, do you fit? Oh, I guess you do, right? Okay, I'll screw that in more later. Just get everything in first. I don't even know if I have the right screwdriver for these. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, you can see how crusty my hand is. It's not good. Should I censor my hands? I specifically wore socks so no one would get free feet pics. Should I wear gloves? Okay. Last one. Bet. Okay, so I guess I need a screwdriver. Right? Yeah, I gotta screw this shit on. Oh my god. Oh my. It's kind of messy. So I stole these 2 screwdrivers from my dad. And let's just hope they fit. Or I can use them. Oh my. Okay, that's kind of small. Wait, oh yeah, is this the right way? I don't know. Oh yeah, it is. I'm switching hands. Oh. There you go, it's better. You good? You're good. Okay. I'm sweating like crazy right now. What the fuck? I literally have like a mustache of sweat right now. I know that sounds disgusting, but deal with it, I guess. Watch me do this all on the wrong side. I swear to God. If that happens, we're done. No more PC. Video's over. Noise. Okay. Nothing comes off. We're okay.
The male into the female.
They have genders? Oh my. That's crazy. Are you a male or a female? How do I tell? Okay. So, male or female? Do you go inside? You don't look like you go inside. Y'all don't look like you fit each other. Oh, what the heck?
It's simple. It's as long as you don't stick
Okay, this dude puts in whatever this is first. Still don't know what it's called. Does this have paste? Does this have paste? Oh my god. Is that paste? Can you guys see that? I don't know if that's paste. I'm gonna hope that's paste because I don't have thermal stuff. Oh, okay. Okay, don't touch paste if that is paste. Hopefully that is paste because I don't have paste. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay. All right. So wait. Do I like? No. Hmm? Huh? Does it even?
Intel backplate using the provided Intel standoffs.
Oh, okay. So, I guess we're installing this onto the back of the motherboard. How do I do that? I have no clue. Okay. Oh, it's so messy. Okay. So I guess I'll flip this. I hope nothing breaks. And apparently I put this onto right here, somewhere here. That? Oh, it doesn't fit. Oh, no, it fits. No, it doesn't. Does it? Bro, what the fuck is happening? Oh my god. Come on, just fit. Okay, last one, please. Okay, they fit. It fits. It fits. We're good. Okay. I have to take this off. And take this adhesive. I don't have nails. Bro, I literally do not have. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, I got it. Okay. Okay. Okay, I got this. Come on. Come on, little one. Okay, we got it. We got it. Okay, just stick. Okay. Now I need
Other sockets like LGA 20
standoffs. So one of these. Or I'm just gonna guess which one to use. I really don't know. Oh, there's 3 of them. 3 types. I'm just gonna guess. Okay. I'm just gonna use the 1700s. I mean, it goes in, so yeah, I guess that works, right? Okay, they're all in. What now?
only required and secure using the screws.
Oh, okay, so caps. Question mark? Caps. So I swear I had more of these. Okay. Thought I had like 3 of these. Where'd they all go?
Flashback.
Yeah. Oh. We also have AMD CPU things. I don't know what these are called, honestly. And then we got whatever this is. Yeah. Okay. What else do we have? Okay.
End of flashback.
Oh my god, I almost touched that. Which one do I like better? This one? What color is this? Oh. Oh, looks pretty neat. And then the other one looks like this. I think I'm gonna keep the original. I think it looks cool. Yeah, I think it looks better. Do I not have one? I swear I was holding more than one of these. Maybe, you know what? I think I'm hallucinating. I don't know. Oh my god. Oh my god. Are you good? Oh my. I'm literally gonna break everything. But everything is not good right now. Everything is not good. Okay, I think we're okay. Everything is okay, I think. Oh yeah, here's the second one. I knew there was more. What does this one look like? Oh, it's the same. Wow. That's great. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna switch up. I think the original one looks better. In my opinion. Am I gonna get cancelled? I don't know. Hopefully not. I don't know. Before I do anything, I still have no clue if this is thermal paste or not. And I'm not trying to fuck it up. So I get a rubber band. I don't know where my tape is in this house. I think I'll just hope this doesn't come off. Oh my. Just hope this doesn't come off while I do anything. Let's see if this is thermal paste. Cause it's gonna be, oh bro, it didn't come attached. Like, oh okay, literally snapped it on. I go to school, I promise. I just don't know what I'm doing half the time. Still gonna do this just in case, I guess. I don't know. It came loose, okay? I didn't know it popped on like that. I thought it was just I thought it was just bad. That's awkward. It's crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna take this to the case and I guess we'll try installing it. I still don't know what to do with these wires actually. Okay, so what I'm thinking is this is the controller, the fan controller, I think. And then I guess we plug these into this when we install it. Does it fit? Why are there two? Wait, oh okay, yeah, that goes on the other side. Okay, so I'm supposed to mount this. Yeah, I don't know how to, but that's what we're supposed to do.
Double-sided tape.
Oh, they gave us double-sided tape. Oh my god, they did. It's nice. Oh yeah, let's go. I don't know where to put it though. Meh. Okay, let's go. You're coming with me. Okay, we've moved to the floor where the case lies. Okay. Let's see. Let me get the fan. Let's not drop everything. I dropped something already. Okay. Fan. What did I drop? I dropped the screwdriver. Okay. So, I plan to put the fan up here. Yeah. We'll see how it goes. How am I gonna do this? So I think it goes in. Can I stick my head? No, I cannot. I think it goes in, like this. I'm struggling. I can't really, I can't put it in. How do I do this? No, please fit, bro. Oh, this is supposed to go in. This is supposed to be facing this way, I think. Will it fit now? Oh, big brain. I think I installed the fan the wrong way though, because this thing is sticking this way. Watch me do this all on the wrong side. I swear to God. If that happens, we're done. No more PC. Video's over. No way. Come on. You know what? I'll do that real quick. Okay. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Oh my god. I'm about to have a mental breakdown. I'm sweating my balls off. Just gonna hope. Please fit. Okay, it fits, it fits. Bet. Okay, so I think it's gonna go in like that. And then I think I'm just gonna have to put screws like here. Yeah, it fits. I don't know which screws to use, so gotta look for that. Still have no clue which screw to use. So you can either use these long ones, or oh, there's screws in here. Oh, there's small ones. I should probably look at the manual, honestly. I have no idea what this is. We got tiny ones. I don't know. We also have washers in here. That's crazy. I think it might be the small ones with the washer. Oh yeah, so there's this plus this tiny ass washer. So, boop. Okay. So this, right? Into here. Let's go. Here.
Nope.
Damn. Oh my god. Pretty sure I just bent the fucking cooler. You know what? I'll fix that real quick. I'll be right back. But I got all of them screwed on. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I fixed it. Well, it looks kind of ass, but I think it'll be okay. Hopefully. But yeah. Okay, so fan's here. It seems pretty secure, right? So tomorrow, I think when the SSD comes, I'll finish the motherboard, place it somewhere here, attach this to the CPU, and then I'll also do the GPU tomorrow, I guess, like somewhere here. I don't know, honestly. I don't know what I'm talking about. And then power supply. Do I want to do it now? Should I do it tomorrow? I don't know, we'll see. I'll leave you in suspense. And I think this is a good place to end the video. I think it's getting a bit long, so we're ending it here. But you guys can watch me play Wordle for the outro, so enjoy that. Hello. So you made it to the end of the video. Nice, good job, good for you. Okay. You know, I don't really know how to end the video, so I guess you guys are just gonna watch me play Wordle. So let's see. Wordle. Oh shit. Wordle.com. Okay. Free Wordle? Am I on the wrong website? You know what? Let's just go to Wordle. Fuck. Wordle? Wordle? Help? Oh. Bro, I'm dyslexic. Wordle. Shit. It's kind of embarrassing. Oh my god. Okay. Let's play. What should my first word be? Pee-pee? Wow. Nice. Why am I blinking now? Trunk. Oh my god. Bitch? No, It's already used. Puck can't even be used either. Damn. Bro, why am I actually so stupid? What the fuck am I doing? Ooh. Help. Holy shit. The fuck is a word? Should I start with the B? B. I don't know, I. The only word I can think of right now is bitch. That can't work. Bro, am I actually stupid? Bro, what the fuck is, you know what? D. Dabanamhated, no. Oh, magic. There you go. Bro. Big brain, I'm so sorry. I'm definitely so... What? Oh, magma? Fuck. I forgot you could reuse letters. Wow, that's crazy. Alright, we're done with this video. You know, I'm done with life actually. Alright, bye.